Hi, I'm Aurora from SpyCloud Labs, and I'm going to be breaking down how OpenClaw skills are prompting AI agents to download macOS malware. OpenClaw, aka Clodbot, aka Moltbot, is an open-sourced agentic personal assistant tool that was first released in November, and it's been generating a lot of buzz. OpenClaw is designed to run locally on a user's machine and use a separate LLM like ChatGPT or Claude Opus for its reasoning tasks. And OpenClaw also requires significant permissions and also a variety of user credentials in order to function as it's intended, which has raised a lot of red flags from security researchers and AI experts. Because of the recent virality, particularly since the Moltbot social media platform for AI agents was released in mid-January, this tool has quickly amassed a really big user base that are eager to share tools with each other. And one of the ways to do this is by sharing skills. A skill here is basically a markdown file that contains detailed instructions for an agent on how to execute a task. OpenClaw has an official registry for users to publish and share these skills called ClawHub. However, earlier this month, researchers at Koi, 1Password, and also open source malware noticed that many of the top downloaded skills on ClawHub, all of them ostensibly related to benign, normal agentic tasks, led to downloads of the atomic macOS Infostealer malware. And to be clear, all of these skills appeared normal. They would provide instructions for useful things like interfacing with the Twitter API or with your cloud-based cryptocurrency wallet, but buried in the instructions, they would also instruct the bot to follow a download link that ultimately led to download of the atomic macOS malware. Based on our data of successful Infostealer malware infection logs, we can also see an uptick in atomic infections starting on January 22nd and continuing into February. Prior to this, atomic had actually been somewhat declining in use, with a lot of malware operators appearing to shift towards MacSync malware to infect macOS hosts instead of atomic. Some of the researchers that broke this story correctly pointed out that this attack chain is functionally very similar to past campaigns that trojanized uploads on extension or package marketplaces like PyPI or NPM. However, the fact that these tactics are popping up in marketplaces intended to be used for tasking autonomous agents feels like an escalation. The humans tasking these agents are likely optimizing for speed and ease of use, and they're almost certainly being less careful and taking less notice of small details. Additionally, it's very likely that agents in some cases are probably going to be enabled to download their own new skills from skill marketplaces, completely removing any human from the loop and also any possibility of human review, which is a problem if these skills continue to frequently be trojanized with malware downloads. On February 7th, ClawHub announced a partnership with VirusTotal to scan new skill uploads for malicious download links in response to a lot of this research, but we're sure this is just the beginning of cybercriminals taking advantage of these agentic AI tools. And as new agentic AI tools continue to be developed and grow their user bases, we're going to continue to see how cybercriminals take advantage of these new use patterns to keep doing the same things that they always do: distribute malware, steal sensitive credentials, and unfortunately, profit.